Thank you for your interest in PartsRec. In this video, we will show you PartsRec in action and how it can benefit your parts department. So this is PartsRec, and what you are looking at is the daily reconciliation dashboard. Everything in green is the inventory movement, so you can see every single day exactly what your beginning inventory balance is, to your ending inventory balance, and everything that happens in between. So you can see exactly what was sold for the day, received, any plus, minus, or cost adjustments, returns, and cost overrides. You can drill down into any of these sections for more detail. We then compare the ending inventory value to the GL closing balance for the same day, plus PartsRec automatically tracks all of your reconciling items. So for example, your work in process, parts billed, not received, parts returned, not credited, invoices not yet posted to accounting. We then compare those two numbers to show you every single day exactly how much you're over or how much you're under. In this example, the store was $183.87 short and then was over $43. The variance changed by $226.88. You can drill down and see exactly what caused that variance change. You can look at it down to the invoice, down to the part, down to the penny. PartsRec essentially is doing an entry-to-entry reconciliation, and the main way we do that is through invoice matching. And this is where there's a ton of power in the program in terms of saving time and increasing accuracy, because we automatically compare everything that you were billed for to everything that was actually received into your inventory. So for your factory invoices, you will download a PDF of the invoice and then upload it into PartsRec. You just select your file, attach the invoice. Now, I'll open up a copy of this invoice and explain what PartsRec is doing behind the scenes. So PartsRec is scanning this invoice. It's going line by line, part by part. It's looking at all the part numbers, order numbers, quantities, and costs, and it's automatically reconciling that to what you actually received into your inventory to immediately identify discrepancies. To do that, you'll just click Save and Process. That's going to take you to the matching screen where you see two tables. The table on the left, these are going to be all the parts that were billed on the invoice. The table on the right are all the parts that were actually received into your inventory. You'll notice three tabs over here: none, partial, and complete. So most of the parts on this invoice are in the complete tab. That's good. That means they were received and there is no issue. We were able to find that exact part number, order number, all the quantities and costs, they're all good. Where you'll need to pay attention to are the parts that show up in the None tab and the parts that show up in the Partial tab. If parts show up in None, it means they were billed but not received. Parts that show up in Partial mean they were received, but there's some kind of discrepancy. So in this example, Ford billed this part at a cost of $4.16. The cost of the part in CDK is $5.60. So there is a discrepancy of $1.44. So PartsRec catches this and allows you to code this to your discounts and adjustment account so that your parts pad and your parts GL always stay in line. So that's it. This invoice is matched and ready for accounting to post. For your outside purchases, vendor invoices, so those are slightly different. We do integrate with CDK's parts purchase order program, so all of those invoices will be automatically imported for you. The process is simple for all of your invoices. If there's a problem with an invoice, it goes into need assistance status. Otherwise, it will be matched for you and will go into complete status. On a day-to-day basis, all you have to do is just two simple steps. 1, upload all of your factory invoices, and 2, review and fix anything in need assistance status. You'll just click on an invoice to review the discrepancy, click the Process Auto Match button. That will take you to the same matching screen. So in this example, the part is showing up in the None tab meaning it's been billed but not received. To post invoices, accounting will just use the Download Complete button. This will print a cover page with all of the invoices and the GL coding and copies of all the invoices attached, or they can use the CDK Power Post option. We have multiple lines of defense in PartsRec. We not only catch all the errors on the parts side, but we also catch errors on the accounting side. If a discount or freight wasn't properly coded, if a credit was posted as a debit, double postings, fat-fingered amounts, it will all be caught and logged in PartsRec. With the variance calendar dashboard, it makes it easy to see these errors and the days where it caused an overage or a shortage. Red means a shortage, blue means an overage. The greater the color intensity, the greater the discrepancy. You can drill down into any day and see exactly what caused the variance. No more spot checking invoices at random, manually comparing invoice to packing slips, or a hectic month end or annual physical trying to figure out issues. PartsRec makes your life easier by giving you the tools to automate this process, saving you time, ensuring the accuracy of your inventory, and reducing your risk. Because with PartsRec, you can track your variance down to the part, down to the penny. Thanks for watching.